Hey everybody, this video I'm going to show you how to replace a broken end of the hose. As you can see, I cut it already. You need a knife to cut it. And so this is the part that I cut. And what happened was this thing flew off from the pressure of the water. This thing just came up from still attached to the nozzle here. So I'm gonna have to remove this. So what you need is you need a knife, a couple of pliers or wrenches, and this part here. This is the replacement. This is what I bought. It's called an attachment and repair. Then now the camera can see the UPC right here. Yeah, I got it from Home Depot for $6. So if you have a really good hose, you can use that. You can reuse your hose. If you have a really bad cheaper hose, then you might have you might want to buy a new hose. But for this one, this is like a 50-foot hose, so it's pretty long. So we don't want to throw it away. So this thing came with this and this clamp here and the end. So what you need to do is push push this side in first. Okay, this is a 5/8 to 3/4 made in China. So we're gonna make this wider, clamp wider. Wide enough for the hose to go in. It's not wide enough. Now it's wide enough. This part here, it goes into the hose. So just gonna push it in there. All the way in there. Okay. Now you push this in towards the end part. Good. I push it all the way in to where it touches the middle. You tighten it. You almost start to rain again. Rain, wait until I'm done recording. Keep tightening it. Tighten it until this thing touches, the side touches. Alright, it doesn't go as much anymore, so this should be good. The back touches, but the front is still lift up, but it should be okay. Now, the wrenches, I have to remove this part here. It doesn't belong there. Make sure you get a good wrench. This is not a good wrench that I'm holding now. It's starting to rain. So let's take it out. So the gasket's still there, so it's good. Put this here. Okay, now let's turn the water on and see what happens. I'm gonna put my camera farther, so just in case I missed up. Okay, no leak. No leak. And fix. So that's how you fix the broken end of a hose. Alright? Especially if you have like a really good hose, just that the nozzle end came up. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope this helped. I see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Belly.